Do you want to start Amazon FBA but don't know what product to sell? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 important signs of a profitable product so you can start off on the right foot and start generating passive income. The number one sign is that this product needs to be in a market that has high demand but low competition. How you can know that is by checking the numbers from a product research platform such as Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Zoof. I'm going to use Zoof as an example here because that's what I've used, but you can actually check out each of them with their free trial to see what works best for you. To be more specific, you want to look for a product that has at least an average of 5K monthly revenue, less than 900 average reviews, and more than 5K monthly search volume. The reason being is that the monthly average revenue and monthly search volume indicate that there's actually demand for this product. There are actually people searching up this product every day, every month on Amazon. An average review of less than 900 shows that there aren't many sellers that are established in the market yet, so there's still place for you to enter. Because when you're first starting out, it's likely that you won't have many reviews. And when people need to decide between a seller with 5 reviews and another seller with 1,000 good reviews, it's a no-brainer that they're going to go with the one with 1,000 good reviews because they're just more social proof. Before I move on to my next tip, I wanted to let you know if you want to accelerate your results with Amazon FBA, be sure to click the link in my description box for a free guide with more specific strategies and tips on how to start Amazon FBA step by step. The second sign of a profitable Amazon product is that this product needs to be priced between $15 to around $50. You don't want to pick a product that's priced too low because after all the cost and Amazon fees, it's just really unlikely that you will profit after all. You also don't want to pick a product that's priced really high, such as $100 or $150. The first reason is that people are just less likely to buy really expensive products. But the more important reason is that you will likely have to invest a lot more when it comes to your first inventory. Instead of having to put $3,000 into your inventory, you will likely have to put $10K or even $20K into your inventory if you choose a product that's priced really high. Which price point would you personally choose to sell at? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know. The next sign of a good Amazon FBA product is that the product is not too heavy or big. The heavier and bigger your product is, the higher your shipping fee and Amazon fees are going to be. Also, if your product is light enough, you would have the option of shipping the product by air instead of by sea and get the product to the Amazon warehouse a lot faster. You want to keep in mind that the Amazon oversized product limit is 18 times 14 times 8 inches, so you definitely don't want to go over that limit. It's also important to note that it's good to choose a product that's under 5 pounds, so you don't have to spend too much on the shipping or Amazon fees. The next sign of a winning product is the potential for improvement and refinement. The Amazon FBA we're talking about here is private labeling, meaning that you will have a third-party supplier or company manufacture your product and you sell the product under your name. That's why it's important to choose a product that has room to improve, which will allow you to stand out from your competition. For example, when customers look for batteries on Amazon, they probably all look and function the same. So it'll be very hard for you to differentiate yourself from your competition unless you are a battery expert, which I doubt many people are. On the other hand, if you choose a product like lunchboxes, it'll be a lot easier for you to adjust the product, maybe make some improvement on the material, the color, and so on to really stand out from all the other people selling the exact same product on Amazon. What I normally do is I check out my competitors' reviews to see what people are complaining about the products, because that's clearly the room for improvement. And I go about making these changes to make the product stand out from all the other competition. Remember that all Amazon sellers are likely using similar suppliers, producing similar products. So it's really important that you spend time on thinking about how you can improve the product. The next sign of a good Amazon FBA product is that it's not seasonal or trendy. This will ensure that your product will bring you income not just for some period of time, but all year round. For instance, Halloween related products will probably only sell for September and October. Or a trendy product that goes viral on TikTok but doesn't have any practical use. It'll very likely die down after a few months. The last thing you want is to be stuck with a lot of inventory of a product that simply just goes out of style or season. So keep this in mind when looking for your Amazon FBA product. Please let me know in the comment section below which signs I talked about today inspired you the most. If you want to start Amazon FBA, be sure to click the link in my description box or comment section to snag my free Amazon FBA guide. These are the exact steps I took to launch my first product, and I'm sharing it for free for a limited time. Now, at this point in the video, you might be thinking, how much does it really cost to start Amazon FBA? That's why your next step is to watch realistic cost of Amazon FBA video, where I'll share with you all the expenses to keep in mind when starting your Amazon FBA business. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.